Hello guys, so we are going to look at how to make this very simple fabric head band. It can be used for children and even for adults. So all you need to do is get your head size times 2. So your head circumference, if it's 20, you do 40 inches. If your head circumference is 22, you do like 45 inches. Okay, so in a way that it will be able to fit into the head. So you do 40, 45, 50, but depending on your head circumference. So to make this headband is very easy. Your width that you want to use depend on how far you want it to cover. So you can work with a width of 10, 12, as the case may be. You can do for like children, you can do a width of 6 or a width of 8 so that it will not be too big. Then all you need to do is to get a second fabric, which can be a lining, or it can also be a beautiful satin, or you can use same fabric as in the same material you use for as the front, you can use it at the back. So all you need to do is to make them equal in length and in width. Okay, or if you want the lines not to show, then you can do, if your original fabric is by width 8 inches, you can do the cover, which is what you want to use, to turn it as 7 inches. So by that, the original fabric will be what is straight on the edges. But if you do not want to do that, it's not also a problem. You do it equally in length and in width, and then you sew. So after you stitch, you are going to turn it out. Okay, you turn there, because you are going to use right side on right side, and then when you finish sewing, you turn it out. Okay, so when you turn it out, that is when you are now going to create a casing. That is, create a space. You can call it a casing, you can call it just an ordinary space. We are going to create a space where you can insert your elastic, and we are using the tiny elastic. Okay, so after turning it out, you iron. What I use as iron is just my hot comb, we normally use for hair. All right, so you just like smooth it out a little, and then after that, you go ahead and create the casing where you are going to insert your elastic. Like I said before, this hairband is easy. It's easy, but it's very beautiful. You can design it in different ways. For this design, I use the bow tie. But then if you do not wish to use a bow tie, you can just create a knot, like donuts, now create a knot and you put on it, or you can just create a wrap, fabric something, and put on it. It's very beautiful on kids, and it's also okay for adults. It's perfect. Okay, so this is just all it takes. Okay, insert your elastic. If it's for children, you make it to the size of the head of the child, that is with the elastic. But if it's for adults, you don't have to make it too small, because once your elastic that you are inserting is the elastic that will actually determine the final size. So when you insert your elastic, just make sure that you are not pulling it too close, making it too small or too tight if it's for the head of adult. But then if it's for kids, why not? You can make it as small as I am making mine now, so that it can fit into the head of the kid. All right, so after this, what we need to do is to top stitch it by taking our size that we want to use. Okay, and then after that, you create your bow tie, just sew your fabric and add your crinoline to it, or some people call it horse tail. add your crayoni or oste to it, and then create your design, and you are good to go. Thank you for staying with me. I'll see you in my next video. Do well to follow or subscribe so that you can get more beautiful contents like this, educative contents. Thank you very much. Bye.